Hey there, space enthusiasts. Buckle up for some mind-blowing news that's going to take your breath away. I'm Jasmine Wingett, and welcome to another exciting episode of Iconoscope Exploring the Cosmos. Get ready for an out-of-this-world collaboration. NASA's Valkyrie Robot is embarking on an incredible mission, partnered with Woodside Energy in Perth, Western Australia. And guess what? They are redefining the game of remote robotics. Valkyrie's mission is to develop super-smart robot skills for taking care of energy facilities without humans. Woodside Energy will test the software and provide feedback. This partnership is taking robotic technology to new heights. But wait, there's more. These advancements will boost safety and efficiency for Woodside's operations. And guess what? It's not just about Earth. NASA's Artemis missions can also benefit from this groundbreaking collaboration. Imagine a future where robots and humans join forces, exploring the unknown and transforming how we work. We are witnessing the birth of a new era in exploration. Stay tuned as we unravel more mind-blowing missions and discoveries. This is Jasmine Wingett, signing off with stardust in my veins and a universe of possibilities in my heart. Until we meet again, may your journeys be filled with endless discovery and the spirit of exploration. Thanks for watching.
Hey there! Thanks for checking out our channel Iconoscope Exploring the Cosmos. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all the informative content related to space science and astrobiology. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from Iconoscope Exploring the Cosmos. Thanks for watching!